You might be wondering why the sun behind me is bright red. Well, it's actually really unique, and it's not quite a natural phenomena or a man-made phenomena. It's pretty interesting. Let me tell you. You see, as the sun sets, it has to travel through more atmosphere for the light to get to our eyes. And that light is filtered out by the smoke, so mainly only the reds and oranges come through. Now, the same thing works with the sunset, except in the sunset, it is far less exaggerated than the smoke. The smoke is much better at filtering out only the red light to come through. There are many fires in our surrounding area right now that are causing all this smoke, and everywhere you go, the visibility is vastly limited. It's not quite natural because fires can be caused by lightning, but they can also be caused by man. So it's not quite a natural phenomena or a man-made phenomena.
You can see in this picture just how dense the smoke is. As the sun gets closer to the horizon, the longer the light rays from the sun have to travel through the atmosphere, and the longer distance they have to travel through the atmosphere, the more they're filtered out, leaving only the red light coming through. This effect is really easy to see when you compare pictures of the moon 3 days apart. The first one was taken without any smoke really, and then on the third day there was a lot more smoke in the air. It kept getting denser. And because of what we talked of before, the closer the object is to the horizon, in this case the moon, the redder it will be. These are unedited photos.